God. I can't wait to see these. Alright, bring them. Let's see them. My first Instagram is so blurry. I mean, was I focusing? I definitely was using the sepia filter. It was family, so that tells a lot about my heart. Oh, God. I feel like I'm, like, trying to show my, like, sense of humor. Like, oh, look, I'm not showing a pretty photo of me. Like, let's show an awful photo of me. Next. This Instagram photo makes sense to me because my parents had surprised me with these donuts. I love maple donuts. Only 424 likes. That's really cute. I don't know what I was thinking with this. Why does anyone want to see a photo of a finished, hard-boiled egg? Hashtag thug life. Wow. Okay, this is just next. Oh, this is an upgrade. This is a good selfie of me. I've got some collarbone going on. I loved that hairstyle back in the day. I don't know what I was thinking because there's like this Elvis Presley thing going on. I thought it was cool. Can't believe you're resurfacing these photos. Thank you so much, MT.